Hello friends, Joy Jagannath. I am here to tell you about India Book of Records. What is IBR? Recently, my son Rudransh has achieved the tag India Book of Record holder. My son Rudransh, who is 2.5-year-old, he has become the India Book of Record holder 2024 March edition. So I am here to tell you what is IBR, how we can become IBR achiever, and who can apply in IBR, and what are the other records that is similar to IBR. All things I will tell you. One more thing, what is the benefit of IBR, and lastly how to apply in IBR. So all those things we will discuss today. So many people don't know what is IBR. So let me tell you, IBR is nothing but India Book of Records. India Book of Records. Like India Book of Records, there are also other records which is very similar to India Book of Records. That is India's Book of Records and India Books of Records. Those are fake. Those are fake websites. How you can know the original website? How you can recognize India Book of Records? Search in Google India Book of Records. By entering to the website, you can see famous personalities are also there who have already become IBR achievers. So that is one clue. And another clue, you can find out the history, and you can directly see the IBR achiever list, and you can also search in YouTube IBR achievers video who have achieved IBR holder tag, IBR achiever holder tag. They have already posted their videos in YouTube. You can see from there also. They are showing their badges, their medals, in which the India Book of Records logo is also there, and one book is also there where it has written India Book of Records. So from there you can easily recognize which website is correct. So you can easily apply in that website, right? So now come to what is IBR. IBR is nothing but India Book of Records. Now we will come to the topic who can apply in IBR who can apply in India Book of Records. Friends, everyone can apply in India Book of Records because there is no age limit. Yes, certain records are there like Guinness Book of Records, like Limca Book of Records. They have certain limits. They have certain age limits. Like Limca Book of Record has the limit up to 13 years. That means below 13-year children cannot apply in Limca Book of Records. Like that, in Guinness Book of Records, there is a certain age limit like 16 years. You cannot apply in Guinness Book of Record below 16 years. You can apply in Guinness Book of Record above 16 years or in Limca Book of Record above 13 years. But in International Book of Records and India Book of Records, there are no age limit. All generation can apply in it. From the baby to younger to older, you can apply. Who have extraordinary talent. Like you can drink much water within 1 minute or 2 minutes. You can run very fast within 1 minute or 2 minutes or 5 minutes. Yes, there are two term and condition are there for IBR. Like there is a time limit or there is no time limit. You can choose one topic where there is a time limit. Like you can drink some 1 liter or 2 liter water within 2 minutes or 5 minutes. That is the time limit. But no time limit means there is much topic. There are more topics, but there is no time limit. Like in India Book of Records, you can give maximum 20 topics, not less than 12 or not more than 20 topics. So there is no time limit. So when you are applying for a time limit, you will hold time limit topic, you will hold a stopwatch in your hand, or you can put a stopwatch near you, and you can do the record procedure. Like I have already said, in 1 minute, how much water you can drink, in 1 or 2 minutes, how much distance you cover, right? Not only educational topic, extraordinary topic like run, sleep, how much you can sleep, how much you can drink, how much you can eat, extraordinary activities. Then no limit topic means like your toddler, like Rudransh has covered 20 topics. In that topic, he has covered 16 shapes, 12 colors, 8 slokas, then 40 birds, animals, vehicles, musical instruments, and and all deities he can identify and recite also. So alphabets, the numbers, alphabets like A to Z, A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, like that up to Z. So he can all recite. So that is 20 topic. If your toddler or child is remembering all those things or all the things very easily and can remember things in very less time, so you can apply for in IBR. And you need to polish your child, you need to polish your child like there is no gap. If he or she saying something like he is saying alphabets A to Z, A B C D E F, there will be no break, there will be no disturbance in it. He or she will speak continuously up to Z, there is no break. So hope you getting my point. A B C D like this, like to Z. There will be no conversation of you and of your child. Only that topic is included. So that is one way you can train your child like that. In every topic, you can train your child like that. Suppose he or she can say 12 birds. So in one sequence, he will say 12 birds. There will be no disturbance, there will be no break. So that what I mean. So that is one topic. So not less than 12 topic, not much than 20 topic. So that is one rule. So you can prepare your child accordingly. So now we will discuss about the benefits of IBR achievers. IBR achievers have lots of benefits. Like he has some special quality that he will not show again and again to others. Like he has a certificate what he has already achieved. Like he can say 12 birds, he can say slokas, he can say animals. So that certificate will show his merit, and no one will ask to say those topics again and again. He has some special quality or special place among all the children. So that is one benefit. And another benefit is that is a pride, that is a proud for us and for our society, for our family members. Ki our children achieved or has written his name in India Book of Records or International Book of Records or Guinness Book of Records or Limca Book of Records. That is a achievement of ours, that is a proud for us. So that is one benefit. And wherever he or she will go, there will be special treatment for him or her, that is a special place for him or her. So that is one benefit. So friends, I have already covered what is IBR, who can apply in IBR, what are the benefits, and what are other records are also there. And so friends, now I will tell you how we can prepare our child to become an IBR achiever, and how Rudransh has become an IBR achiever. I will tell you now. So guys, you can see if your baby has some extraordinary mind, sharp memory, then you can apply in IBR. Like your baby can or toddler can remind all things in short time, that is an achievement. You can apply in IBR. My son Rudransh easily can recall or remind things in very short time. If I'll tell something to him, then he easily adopts the things. Then for applying IBR, you can prepare your child like this. If possible, you buy some flashcards, or if you have books, then it's okay. But in which topic your baby or toddler is interested, go with that flow. Don't force him or her to do things like the way you want. Don't do like that. That will be more difficult. The way your child is going, you go with him or her and help them to do that things in short time. Like you can give them the books, suitable books, flashcards, so that they can easily remind or recall the things, and you polish them. You again and again ask them in a sequence, that there is no break, there is no disturbance. If you are starting a topic, like in the flashcard there are 10 bars, you will set a mindset that you will finish that 10 bars. Between the in between that there will be no disturbance. So that is one. You can prepare your child like this. Which topic he is choosing to tell, that will there will be no disturbance. You can practice them. You can ask again and again on that topic, so that he or she will be very thorough about that topic. Lastly, how can we apply in IBR? So I will make a video on this, because this video will be too long. So I will make a special video on regarding how to apply in IBR, how to apply in India Book of Records, and how to fill the forms, how what are the documents needed to submit. I will discuss in another video. So if you have other queries, then don't hesitate to comment me. I will surely help you or surely reply your message. Thank you. Jai Jagannath.